Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the latest and greatest in household products. Today, we're excited to share our thoughts on a remarkable product that has been making waves in the world of laundry care. Introducing the Canal Underwear Cleaning Soap. If you're looking for an effective solution to keep your delicate fabrics fresh and clean, you're in the right place. Let's start with the standout features of this soap. The Canal Underwear Cleaning Soap is not just any ordinary soap. It's crafted from natural ingredients, primarily coconut oil, which makes it eco-friendly and gentle on the skin. This means you can use it on your most sensitive garments, like baby clothes and intimate wear, without worrying about irritation. The soap is free from harmful chemicals such as phosphorus, ensuring that it's safe for you and the environment. What really sets this product apart is its excellent cleaning performance. Whether you're dealing with stubborn stains from a night out or the everyday messes that come with having kids, this soap is designed to tackle those challenges head-on. The unique formula penetrates the fabric to lift dirt and grime effectively. It can easily remove sweat stains, blood stains, and even oil stains, giving your clothes a fresh start. The versatility of the Canal soap is another plus. It's suitable for a wide range of fabrics including wool, cotton, and linen. This means you can confidently use it on your favorite shirts, underwear, and even delicate items like tights. It's a great all-purpose solution that can simplify your laundry routine. Now, let's talk about the user experience. The soap comes in a convenient bar form, making it easy to apply directly to stains. For those tougher marks, the recommended method involves using detergent first, rinsing with clean water, and then applying the Canal soap for a second round of cleaning. This two-step process enhances its stain-removing capabilities and ensures your clothes look their best. Another notable feature is the long-lasting fragrance that this soap leaves behind. With its natural scent, you can enjoy fresh-smelling laundry for days, without the overpowering artificial fragrances that some products have. The gentle aroma makes it pleasant to use, and it's a great way to keep your laundry smelling fresh even after it's been stored. Additionally, the Canal soap is praised for its skin-friendly formula. The natural plant extracts not only clean your clothes but also care for your skin. This is particularly beneficial for families with young children or individuals with sensitive skin. You can wash with confidence knowing that this soap won't cause irritation or discomfort. For those who appreciate longevity, each bar is designed to last through multiple uses, providing excellent value for your money. The packaging comes with 2 bars and even includes a handy brush for easy application, ensuring that you're well equipped to tackle any stain. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for the best underwear cleaning soap, the Canal Underwear Cleaning Soap is a fantastic choice. Its natural ingredients, impressive stain-fighting abilities, and gentle formula make it a standout option for anyone looking to enhance their laundry routine. With the added benefit of being eco-friendly and skin-safe, it's a product that not only cares for your clothes, but also for the environment and your well-being. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more product reviews, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Happy cleaning!